Right then. What's this one called? Can you beat that? Christchurch. Melplash. That's cool. Let's go and have a look inside. Ooh. Welcome to our church. Melplash. Of course, a tiny little doorway. Right then. Here we go. Wow. Nice. It's got a bit of damp. Right then. I'm breathing a bit heavy because I've just had a chest cough. A chest infection. I'm on my way to come to the doctor. Right then. What's all this? Wow. It's beautiful. Look at that big, round area. Look at all that. Roof's beautiful. Let's have a look up there. Wow. Isn't that cool? Right then. Now, I have gone past this church a few times. Let's see if there's any name up here. What the church is called. Doesn't say on the boards. Nope. Anyways. It's called the Melplash. It's near Bridport. Oh, look at this. Isn't that cool? That's that pampas grass. Flowers. Here we are. We have the font. Quite a nice font. Circular. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful. Look at this up here. Wow. And the windows are gorgeous as well. It's been done recently. Fixed. It had a lot of scaffolding around it for a long time. Maybe about a year. And it came down just before about the summertime. Can't read. I think basically they were doing the stonework because it just looks beautiful. Right then. There we go. Right then. There's the pulpit, the Melplash Mothers Union flag thing. Here's the lovely pulpit, look, wooden one. And they got is that the baby Jesus and Mary? It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. The stonework's lovely. Looks like it's all been fixed up. I thought it was concrete, it's carpet. And like sort of shell type table. Now what's that say? Can you see? No, neither can I. Let's have a wee look up here. Oh, here we are. In memory of Edward Edwards, vicar of this parish, from 1965 to 1973. Wooden cross. All these windows. It's nice and bright in here for a change. Lots of windows. Look at that. Mind the step. There's another nice one there. Look at that. Right then. Is it open? Oh, it is. Oh, it's like a gym. Look at that. It's like when I was at school. Looks like the gym floor. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. I don't know, they might hold little shows here or whatever. They've got a net. Probably play badminton. Like that up there. A lot of damp on the ceiling. I think they were fixing the roof when the scaffolding was around it. What's that say up there? Can we see? This is the other door. Let's say the lock on that. Isn't that humongous? Wow. It's got a big escutcheon on it. It says that. Can you see outside? Wow. Looks like they're still working in here. Bits and bobs and sponges and things. Oh look, this is the games cupboard. Badminton. Kettle, cups, dishes. Beautiful.